Hello everyone. My name is Anu. Children, today we are going to read the next chapter of class 3 English. It is The Yellow Butterfly and its writer is Nilima Sinha. Okay children. So this chapter is about a yellow butterfly who was found in Sonu's garden. Let's read the lesson. The Yellow Butterfly. As children, you know that all the butterflies are very sweet, very lovely, and all the children they love to catch the butterfly. So here in this lesson there is a child named Sonu who wants to catch a yellow butterfly who was flying in his garden. Okay, let's see what happens when he tries to catch that yellow butterfly. Now let's start the story. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. Okay, as you can see that a yellow butterfly was flying around in Sonu's garden. And when Sonu saw that butterfly, he found it very pretty and he wanted to catch it. So he ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. And that butterfly flew it. But the butterflies are very, they are very fast. That butterfly flew to the rose bed where there were lots of rose flowers are there. So it sat on a red rose. And that butterfly sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it. Now Sonu saw that butterfly and he thought that now I can catch that butterfly. So he walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer. But then, so Sonu wanted to catch that butterfly. So he went near the butterfly. He went closer it, but he was not able to catch it. Let's see what happened then. Off flew the butterfly. But what happens when he went near to the butterfly? That butterfly flew away. That butterfly flew away. Off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Now Sonu was thinking that where did that butterfly go? Then what happens? Oh, near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. Now you can see that in his garden there was a pond. You can see in the picture there was a pond, and in that pond there was a white lotus. And in that and around that lotus there were some round leaves. Okay, and those leaves floated in the water. You must have seen the lotus in the water, children, because the lotus it floats over the water and it has green color round shaped leaves which float on the water. So there was a pond like this in his garden. Then what happened? The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Now that butterfly sits on that floating leaf. Okay. And when Sonu went near the butterfly, he splashed into the water and he swims to that place where the butterfly was sitting. And but as soon as he reached there, that butterfly flew off. Okay, like this. Next, now where was it? Now he again started thinking now that where has that butterfly gone now? Sonu looked up, he looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Now, Sonu looked here and there. What he saw? He saw a peach tree. Okay. Now, peach is a fruit, children, as you know. And there was a peach tree and it had pink flowers. So, the butterfly was sitting on a pink flower now. Now, what did Sonu do? Now, he again saw the butterfly and he thought that I can catch you now. And then he climbed up the tree. Up he climbed. But back it flew down from the tree. Now, to catch that butterfly, he climbed up the tree. But again, when he reached near the butterfly flew off. It flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Now Sonu also he jumped down and he started chasing the butterfly again. From the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. You know, Sonu tried very hard. First, he tried to catch the butterfly from the rose, then from the lotus, and then on the peach tree, but he was not able to catch that butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last, he saw the butterfly. Okay, Sonu could not see that where the butterfly has gone, but finally, when he looked here and there, he saw it. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. And where did he saw that butterfly? He saw the butterfly into a big spider's web. Okay, there was a big spider's web in the peach tree and that butterfly was stuck there. Okay, she tried to come out, she tried to twist her body, she tried to flap her wings. It means that she tried every inch to escape, but it could not escape at all. The spider's web held it tight. She was stuck there. Right? Now, poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. As you can see in the picture, there was a big spider inside the that web, and it looked hungry, and it wanted to catch and eat the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Now that black big spider, it started coming near to the butterfly, and then before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Okay, but before that spider could catch the butterfly, Sonu ran there and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty, and that butterfly was so very pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings, and Sonu loved the little butterfly. Okay, and when Sonu catch that butterfly, he looked at it. It was very pretty, and he just loved that butterfly. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Okay, but that butterfly was quite sad when it was caught by Sonu. Now, but Sonu wanted that butterfly should be happy. So what he did? He said, "Go fly away." So he leave the butterfly and he said, "Go fly away." And now the butterfly was very happy. So he let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily over flower to flower. Okay, now that butterfly was free now, and it starts moving here and there on the red rose, on the lotus leaf, on the peach tree, everywhere, wherever that butterfly wants to go, she can move freely. And now that butterfly can move on flower to flower very freely. And now it was very happy. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. And Sonu watched that butterfly which was moving here and there freely and very happily in Sonu's garden. Now that butterfly was happy and free once again. Okay, children. So this was the story, and it was written by Nilima Sinha. Children, the yellow butterfly. I hope you like it. Okay, the moral of the story that we should never, uh, we should never caught any we should never catch any insect, and we should let them free. We should let them live their life freely. Okay, because everybody has right to be in nature, to live their life happily. So we should not make slaves. Okay, we should not catch animals, okay, who are not harmful to anybody. Okay, because they love to be in their own atmosphere, in their own nature. Everybody has right to be free. Okay, so this was the story, children. I hope you liked it. Now let's see the new words. Okay, the first word we have chase. Chase means to catch up with. Okay, now the second word we have float. Float means to move slowly or lightly in a liquid. Floating means swimming. It means to move slowly or lightly in a liquid. Next we have climb. Climb means to go up. Okay, this is like how do we climb. Next we have is peach. Peach is name of a yellow juicy fruit. Okay, this is a peach fruit. You can see in the picture. Next is catch. Catch means to hold something that has been thrown. Okay, to hold something that has been thrown is catch. Now middle. Middle means at an equal distance of something. Okay, middle means in the in between, in the middle. Escape means to run away, right? Like this. Next we have flutter. Flutter means to flap the wings quickly and lightly. Okay, to flap the wings. Next is twist. Form into a bend. Okay, form into a bend. Twist. Next is pond. A small body of water is called pond. Shout. Shout means to utter a loud cry. Shout, children, to utter a loud cry. Next, hungry. Hungry is need for food. Okay. Now let's see the question answers of the yellow butterfly. Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Now the answer is at first Sonu saw the yellow butterfly on the rose flower. Okay. Question number 2. Name 3 places where the butterfly rested. So the butterfly rested on rose flower, lotus flower, and then on the peach tree. Okay. She first rested on the rose flower, then on the lotus leaf, and then on the peach tree. Okay. Question number 3. Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? So Sonu chased the butterfly because it was very beautiful and he wanted to catch it. Okay. Question number 4. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go? So Sonu let the butterfly go because it was looking sad in Sonu's hand. Right, children? Next, if you were a butterfly, how would you feel if you were caught? So if I were a butterfly, I would have felt very bad if I were caught. Next, why did the butterfly go to the flowers in the garden? So the answer is butterfly went to the flowers in the garden because it sucks nectar from the flowers. Okay, next. If you were a butterfly, how would you feel if you were caught? Okay, so the answer is if I were a butterfly, I would have felt very bad if I were caught. The next, why did the butterfly go to the flowers in the garden? So the answer is butterfly went to the flowers in the garden because it sucks nectar from the flowers. Next, write the sentences in proper order using these words to help you. First, then, after, this, finally. Okay. So these are the lines, children, that finally I dressed up and go to school. Then I brush my teeth and I have a bath. Then first of all, I get out of bed. And then after this, I eat my breakfast. What you have to do? You have to write them in proper order. So the answer is, first of all, I get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth and have a bath. After this, I eat my breakfast. And finally, I dress up and go to school. Next, make two words from one word. Make two words from one word. One has been done for you. Like butterfly, we can make butter and fly. Like everywhere, we can make every and where. Inside, in and side. Outside, out and side. Sunlight, sun and light. So like this we can make two words from one single word. That's it, children. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Stay tuned with me for my next videos. Till then, take care and enjoy learning.